So how do I get into it? So, what's the best path towards it? So as I said, if you're looking to get into specifically AI research, my advice to you is start small, start looking at tutorials online generally, what is AI, what is machine learning, learn about the different subfields of machine learning. Then you can start getting into reading the papers. Once you can start understanding the foundational papers, then everything from there is really just building on top of that. So that's kind of how research works. Everybody more or less builds upon previous work. But as I say, if you actually want a career as a researcher, definitely my best advice to you is to try to get either a master's or a PhD in the field. If you can get internships or residency, residency programs abroad, you can try applying for jobs. But the main thing here is to make yourself visible. Don't think you're just gonna put some stuff on a application or on your resume, upload it to say Google DeepMind or Facebook, and they're just gonna give you a job. You need something that makes you stand out. So I would say, think about what could make you stand out. So whether maybe you can do some tutorials, write some blog posts. And you don't need to be some genius. A lot of these blogs, posts, and tutorials, they're literally copying each other. So you could literally watch a tutorial and then more or less put your own spin on it, sort of showing what you learned. And from there, I would say, try to see how you can, come up with some projects and actually work on them. But I would say before you do that, actually do some tutorials. Try to understand what has already been done and see if you can do it yourself. And Kaggle is also your best friend. So think of Kaggle as the HackerRank for machine learning. So you have a bunch of data sets on Kaggle and you have people that actually compete to build machine learning models. How can I learn? Well, books, if you're into reading books. If you're not into reading books, YouTube. These are some good YouTube channels. Let's say check out 2 Minute Papers, 3 Blue 1 Brown, Coursera, Udemy. You guys know all of these course sites because you probably used it before as computer science students and practitioners.